how to enable Roblox voice chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. In here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions, which is the third option. After that, click on Communication, which is the third option again. Then in here, you'll find Voice Chat. Click on Voice Chat. After you've clicked on Voice Chat, enable microphone. Simply click on it. Make sure the white circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.